Well, hey there, YouTubers. D-Doc here. Sitting outside my house. Got something a little different here for change. Got my 95 Tahoe back. Was driving this a ways back. All of a sudden, at a stoplight down in a big town, started making a knocking noise. Turns out it spun a main bearing on the crankshaft, so had to have it towed back where it was stored at a local repair shop for a little bit, and finally today got it towed back home where it's going to sit inside the garage over there for the winter. So while I was sitting over yonder, battery went dead, so I put a good battery in it. So I figure this would be a good time to do a cold start on my 95 Tahoe, which I haven't done for a long time. So got the fresh battery in it. If I can get the right key, we'll hop inside of this and fire it up and back it into the garage. Well, let's see what we can get here. All right. Gonna have to be quick about this. This engine's going to last with that spun bearing. Hold on there. We'll back her into the garage. Let's see if maybe we can get you a view out the rear window there, maybe. I know there won't be much to see. It's kind of dark in there. Whoa, hell. I got to pull the engine hoist out. So let's hold on for a second. Of course, you can tell we had a successful cold engine start. I got so excited to get the cold start done, I need to go pull the engine hoist out. So why don't you folks sit right over here for a second while I go pull the engine hoist out of there. Okie McDokey. Got that engine hoist out of the way. Let's jump back in this Tahoe and back it into the garage again. Here comes the dark ages. And there we got it. Well, hey, got the old 95 Chevy Tahoe back home in the garage. Unfortunately, it's winter time. But I'm going to have to pull that engine out. Should have a replacement engine coming soon. Sometime over the winter, hopefully. It's going to be cold in there, and I'm not inclined to go in there and... Whoa, did that zoom in? Zoom back out there. Don't mean to scare you like that. But if it's cold in the garage this winter, I'm not going to work on changing the engine. But I think this afternoon and tomorrow I'll get the hood off and drain the radiator and start taking the radiator out and get it up on jack stands so I can get underneath it when it comes time to take that engine off. And get it ready. Next weekend around the 45 degrees, so maybe I can get the engine pulled out, take it back over to the shop where I'm going to pick up the other engine. And he's pulling it out of a junk truck, but then he can put my bad engine back in that, get a better junk price out of it, and we'll go from there. So hey, thanks for watching and commenting. We'll catch you on the next one.